Very good morning, students. Welcome back to first year physics. So in the previous class, actually we finished about a buoyancy. Buoyancy related is finished. And here let us I want to say the problems on the basis of a pressure. On the basis of a pressure from our material. So open your materials in this 280 page number. Page number 280. Question number is 1. Look at the questions carefully, read questions carefully, what is asking and what we need to find. See the two things, thigh bones, each of cross sectional area given, thigh bones is given and 10 centimeter square support, the upper part of the human body of mass is 40 kg, estimate the average pressure sustained by the femurs or bones. So here the area given, you write as given data, area is 2 into 10 power, centimeters is given, no? So 10 power minus 4 meters square it is, and there will be a weight is given 40 kg weight, right, or kg it is, I think it is 40 kg given, right, of course it is kg weight, better you change in that 40 into 10 power 10 newtons it is. So is asking average power, right? Pressure is equal to force by area. Force is 40 into 10 by, because it is given in kg weight, no? So when it is given in a kg weight, therefore we need to convert into newtons. So multiply with a 10 and 2 into 10 power minus 4, right? So that here it is becomes 2 ones, 200 into 10 power 4. There will be a pressure is, we can say, Pascal it is. This much of pressure is to be act, right. So it is 2 into 10 power 5 pascals. It is what? For one leg it is. One leg it is. If I take human bodies have 2 legs, no? So that you say it is what it is, we can say. We can also say it is you write as 2 into 10 power 5, because here we are taking only one area, no? The better you write as by 10 here, or it is you say 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 1, so that the pressure is equal to, by using 2 legs, 2 into 10 power 5 will get, it is a Pascal for using a 2 legs, right. This is the one question, and go for the second, that is about a what is the pressure on the swimmer 10 meter below the surface of a lake. See, there is a question is, second question in the same page number that is given in the 280. See, when there is a swimmer is inside, so the person swimming inside the lake, like is swimming at a depth. See, the given depth is given as 10 meter, right, and there will be a density is given as, the density of water is given as 1000 or 10 power 3 kg per meter cube, right, and G value is given, it is 10 meter per second square. Done. And here is asking what the pressure acting on the swimmer given is, so that here we know it is height due to pressure is 1, and there will be an atmospheric pressure is at P naught till a depth, so that the P naught, we know P is equal to P naught plus H rho G, we did this expression, right. So P naught is nothing but atmospheric pressure, how much it is, 1.013 into 10 power 5, right. So P is equal to 1.013 into 10 power 5 plus H. H how much is given here, height is 10 meter, density is given 10 power 3 into, again it is G value is given as 10, so that is P is equal to 1.013 into 10 power 5 plus 10 power 5, again it is. So better you take a common 1.013 plus 1 into 10 power 5. So the pressure at a depth H is, it is we can say 2.013 into 10 power 5. So it is nothing but we can say 2 atm, because it is multiplied with a 2, no? So we can take as 2 atm. Clear? Right. The next question, third question. Look at the third question. Density of the atmosphere to a sea level is 1.29 kg per meter cube. Assume that it does not change with altitude. When how high would be the atmosphere extended? See, according to the given data, now we need to find how much the dense or height is at the pressure. So that here we given as the density is, you take third example, third question, 1.29 kg per meter cube, right? And there will be this is the density given, and we know atmospheric pressure is ATM, it is we know 1.013 into 10 power 5 is asking how much height to be act because of these density levels. The given density levels at a sea level, the pressure will act till a height is how much? See, here it is, we can say like the given data P is equal to H rho g, no, is asking actually height, you know, 1 ATM 1.013 into 10 power 5 you say. H density is given 1.29 and G value better you take it is like 9.8. Now H is equal to 1.013 into 10 power 5 by 1.29 into 9.8, right? Now you simplify this. H is equal to 1.013 by 1.29 into 9.8 into 10 to the power 5. So this, if you take a simplification, approximately 7989 meters will get. That is a round off, it is 8 kilometers. So the given the density, based on the density, the atmospheric pressure is at till a height is, or atmosphere is till height is extended to 8 kilometers, right, at a sea levels. Clear? Now coming to the fourth question. Say fourth question. So look at the data. At a depth of 1000 meter in an ocean, what is the absolute pressure? Second, what is the gauge pressure? Third, find the force acting on the wind area 200 centimeter into 20 centimeter of a submarine at this depth, the interior of which is maintained of a sea level atmospheric pressure, the density of a sea of water, and the G value is given. Yes. See, suppose you carefully write first data. Look at it. The question number 4 it is. First of all, you write a given data. The given is, see, question number 4. H is given, 1000 meter is given, density at a sea level 1. I think it is 03 into 10 power 3 kg per meter cube is given, and as well as G value take as 10 meter per second square is given. Now he is asking what first one, what is the absolute pressure is asking. So that you take a absolute pressure, first one, absolute pressure it is. So absolute pressure is nothing but a P is equal to P naught plus H rho g, right? So P is asking, no, here we know atmospheric pressure at the given place 1.013 into 10 power 10 power 5. Here you write 1.013 into 10 power 5 plus H 1000 meters into rho 1.03 into 10 power 3 into 10 it is. Now you take pressure is equal to, better you do one thing, here is the 100 and this one 10 power 3, so that 1.013 plus 10 power 5 is common, 10 into 1.03 into, you take a common is 10 power 5 is common. Done? Now 100 multiply with 100, or it is divided by 100, no? So it is becomes 1.013 plus 103 into 10 power 5. So if you add this, approximately will get like it is P is equal to 104, because 103 is to be added, no? 0.013 into 10 power 5. So that 10 power 5 is nothing but we can say ATM it is. So we can say the pressure is equal to 104 ATM, or you want to leave also correct. Nothing will wrong it is. So this is the first one given, right? And go for the second. Look at the second. So he is asking gauge pressure, right? He is asking what now? He is asking gauge pressure. So look at, find the force, what is the gauge pressure he is asking. So the gauge pressure is nothing but a P minus P naught, a difference in pressure H rho G, right? That is we know, already we know PG, that is the pressure is 104 is there, right? So that here you write as the pressure is, directly we can take, this is the P H rho G, that is equal to, directly also we can write as 103 or 104 ATM it is. From the above only we can say. Clear? And third one, is asking third one, C. Once look at the third one carefully. Say find the force acting, of course, on the window of area. So there will be window of area given, that is 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter of submarine at this depth, same depth. The given depth is same, which is 1000 meter below, interior of which is maintained at a sea level of atmospheric pressure. So let us you take, there will be a pressure, force is acting, no? So here we need to get first pressure difference. So force is equal to pressure into area. Area is we know 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter, right? So area is equal to 400 into 10 power minus 4 meter. So we can also write 4.04 meter it is, or else you keep the area will be like this. Now we should get a pressure here. So the pressure we need to find, so that here H rho G, clear? That is P is equal to PA plus H rho G. P is equal to P plus H rho G. Same level, directly you take whatever the pressure here given, 104 it is. So better you substitute your pressure, F is equal to 104 into 0.04 it is ATMs actually, into 10 power 5, right? Because on atmospheric pressure, no? Clear? So that it is maybe it is roughly will get the force is equal to 4.12 into 10 power 5 newtons. This is will be the final one, which is given based on the given data it is, right? Clear? And here see in the other problems also there. So fifth problem, yes, sixth you can, seventh also, eighth also you can. See, I want to see the very short answers. So because the very short answer also one question is there, define average pressure, mention its units and dimensional formula. So it's over already. Some next one is there. Look at the next question. Right, it is related to the surface tensions, and in the page number 286 supposed to open 286. So there is an atmospheric pressure, and how is that determined using a barometer, what is the gauge pressure, and how is a manometer is used for measuring the pressure difference, of course, and the Pascal's law, and as well as explain the hydraulic lift and hydraulic brakes, and what is paradox, what is meant by the paradox, which is very very important, because in the previous year you check this question was given, so that better you go through this question. Right here, sixth question, explain how the pressure varies with depth. So this or over in the previous class, right? And here coming to the some other problems also given. So we'll look into the next problems. See, there will be some problems are there on the basis of pressure. Right, see the same problems, come to the same page number. I want to say the problem number is 6. So look at the problem number 6. See, in an in a car lift compressed, air exerts a force F1 on a small piston having a radius is. This pressure is transmitted to second piston of radius is 15 centimeter. Of course is given in the figure, but the figure is not there. The mass of the car to be lifted to 1350 kg. Calculate F1. What is the pressure necessary to accomplish this task? See, actually complete this task. There will be some spelling mistake. Complete this task. Right. So look at the given I am writing now. A car compressed. Right. I will show you the diagram, but the diagram is not given. You taken a diagram. According to the diagram, we need to go. Right. Say there is a one car is placed at a one area. So this is actually filled with a liquid. So this is A, R1 is given, R2 is given. R1 is given as I think 5 centimeter. So it is 5 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and R2 given as 15 centimeter I think. 15 into 10 power minus 2 meters. So here there will be a force F1 is applied, the force is shifted here, that the pressure is constant, whatever the pressure is acting here, but areas are different, right? Now is asking F1 is asking, right? We know there will be a formula P is equal to F1 by A1, it is P is equal to F2 by A2. This will be the equal, and you equal it, it is like this. Mass of the car given. How much is mass of the car given? 1350 kg. So is asking F1, no? Then you write as F1 is equal to A1 by A2 into F2. A1 by A2 into F2. Now you do with this, F1 we need to find now. Here F1 is equal to pi R1 square by pi R2 square, right? F2 is nothing but you take as mg, because the car weight is acting mg down. So which is acting mg down, there will be a force is F is acting, because it is lifted up, no? It is lifted up, lifting, and this weight is balanced. So 1350 into you take 9.8 or 10. So now F1 is equal to this, pi is cancelled, R1 is 5 into 10 power minus 2 by 15 into 10 power minus 2 whole square into mass 1350 into 9.8. So 10 power minus 2, 5 ones, 5 threes. So 9 into 1350 into 9.8. Clear? Now you simplify this. So that we'll get the force F1 is equal to, it is 1.5 into 10 power 3 newtons, if you go with simplification. And also is asking what is the pressure necessary to complete this task. So there will be a pressure is equal to F1 by A1 you take. So F1, how much F1 is there? 1.10 power 3 by area is, we know actually pi R square, right? So it is 1.5 into 10 power 3 by 3.14 into R is 5 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Clear? So that the pressure is equal to 1.5 into 10 power 3 by 3.14 into 25 into 10 power minus 4, right? So after simplification, so pressure is 1.9 into 10 power 5 Pascal will get. This is the pressure required to complete this task. Pressure required to complete this task. So the given, according to the given data it is, see here, the pressure is how much is required this. The force is how much is required this. Clear? so that it is the problems on the basis of force and other related, because in our material there are number of problems are given. So that these are the examples related to what the given questions. Right. So, this is about today's class, and we will see in the next class. Thank you very much.